Alright guys, so in the last video we're going over some log problems, solving in terms of P and Q. So now we can clear this and we'll move on to the next problems. We'll get a bit more advanced, okay? So those problems were nice and easy. Okay, so now we're going to have logarithm equations and some steps to work through them. Okay, so a few things to keep in mind is there are two methods for solving an equation involving logs. Method 1. Get a single log on both sides in the equation, equate the expressions and solve. Write the equation in the form log bx, okay? So the first method is write the logs, so method 1, you write the logs in the form log bx equal to log by equal to x equal to y, so we get the same base, we just let the logs equal. Okay, and then method 2 is get a single log in the equation and then change from the log form to index form. Write the equation in the form log b a is equal to c and a is equal to bc. So the second method is write it out like log b a is equal to c. Just give you c is equal to a or is equal to b to the power of c. Okay, so I'm going to change to red now so you can see a bit better. So you have red up here. So now make sure all the logs have the same base. If necessary, use the change of base law. Okay, so here's the change of base law. Log, and we'll see, we'll put these into practice now so you'll get to understand it, okay? Log a to the x over log a to the b. Okay, so now the first question will be solve the equation log to the base 2 x plus 6. Okay, so log to the base 2 x plus 6 minus log to the base 2 x plus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so what we can do is we change this into log 2, then x plus 6 divided by x plus 2, because that's how logs work when you subtract, is equal to 1. So then we just let them equate. So log ax minus log ay, and then use the general rule of log b a up here. So how we do this is we do x plus 6, because we're getting rid of the logs now, over x plus 2. So we divided 1 by log 2, which is equal to 2. So now we'd have x plus 6 over x plus 2 is equal to 2. 2 to the 1, remember, from this rule up here. Okay, so then what we do is we'd multiply across by x plus 2. So if you go down here, you'd have x plus 6 is equal to 2 by x plus 2. Okay, so then if we move that up here, start solving, we'd have x plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 4. So then minus x is equal to minus 2. So x will be equal to 2. And that's that solved. So that's a problem involving log equations. I thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe for more maths videos.